Hey guys, I'm getting all set up for the permanent lock install on my client today. There's all the pieces of hair that I have laid out on the table, her hair before the install, and going little by little as we go. Here's a short clip of me actually installing one of the locks onto her hair. I have just placed it on there and I'm slowly rotating and forming the lock around her own hair. And I just slowly pull the needle in and out and get everything kind of locked in place, and then I can pick up from there, just pulling in all of the loose hairs from the outside into the middle. And that's it.